Hey there! Today we have a tricky problem on our hands that involves manipulating a data frame in Python. The problem showcases a data frame with some rows that need to be shifted and others that need to be deleted. Quite the conundrum, right? Let's dive into the solution together. In this solution, we start by selecting specific columns B and C from the data frame and shifting their values by one position to the left. By using the shift method with 1 as the shift parameter, we effectively move the values up in these columns. The fill_value argument helps in filling any resulting NaN values with an empty string. Voila! The unwanted rows have been shifted out of the picture. Continuing with the solution, we move on to a more structured approach. By defining a list of columns B and C, we can generalize the shifting operation to include these specific columns. The same shift method with the fill_value parameter is applied, ensuring that the values are shifted seamlessly. This method not only streamlines the process, but also makes it easier to apply the same operation to different sets of columns if needed. Moving forward, we can see the updated data frame after the shifting operation has been applied. The selected columns B and C have been shifted as per our instructions. The unwanted rows have been effectively shifted out, leaving us with a cleaner and more organized data frame. It's like magic, but in the world of data manipulation. Building upon the previous steps, we now focus on applying the shifting operation based on specific indices and columns. By specifying the columns B and C and the index 1, we could target a specific location in the data frame for the shifting process. The lock function helps in pinpointing the exact location where the shifting operation needs to take place. With this targeted approach, we can ensure precision in our data manipulation tasks. As we wrap up our data frame manipulation journey, we can see the final result after applying the shifting operation based on the defined indices and columns. The data frame now reflects the desired changes, with values shifted accordingly at the specified location. With a few lines of code, we have successfully tackled the problem at hand and transformed the data frame to meet our requirements. Well, that's all for today, folks. We've successfully navigated through the data frame manipulation process and emerged victorious. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding and may your data always be clean and organized.